Hey my dear friends, in this video I will show you how to filter all unique values from an array. We already know that array can contain all types of value, either it is unique or not. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, I am taking an array named arr, let arr equal an array's values are these. Now we can see that these values are not unique and every values are repeating, like 1 repeating in 4 times, 2 repeating in 3 times, 5 repeating in 5 times. So this is not a unique value. We want to convert this like that. Like this. But how to do that? Let's see. If we console that, console.log arr, here is our array. We know that set can contain only unique values, so we can take and set, let named set1 equal new set, and assigning this array in this set. And now if we console this set 1, we can say that it is returning an unique values of this array in set format, but we want to return this in array format. So we are converting this array in empty array. This is an empty array. Now what we will do, we want to assign all these sets value in this array, like this first value in its array's first index, second value in this array's second index, third value in this array's third index. So for this we will have to complete a loop. So I am completing a for each loop of this set and taking a value. This value will always return this set's value, like first time it will return 1, second time 2, third time 5, and fourth time 7, like this. So what we will do, that every time we will assign this value in this array's index, like first value in this first index, second values in this second index, third value in its third index. But for this we have to take an variable count, and initially we are assigning 0, and this will work like index of this array. Now what we will do, that every time in this array's index means count, we will assign this value, and every time count will be plus, means every time count will be increased, so that every time index can change. Like first of all, count equals 0 means array's index ai means arri 0, first index assigning value, and when it will complete a loop, then second time it will be 1, then third time it will be 2, and fourth time it will be 3, and like as. So now if we console this array, we can say that wow, we achieved our targeted array. There are no repeating value, these values are unique. So thanks for watching.